Now, part five of this, students. So, we've more or less got our modeling done, but instead of having the building floating in space here, what I want to do is I want to put some ground onto it. Okay, so this is where we go into our site plan. Just over here. Okay, now, so I'm going to go to this tab here. It's called Massing and Site, and I want to put in what's called a topo solid, create from a sketch, right? And we're just going to use our lines here. And I'm just going to take a square, the rectangle line there, like so. All right. And it's coming in at the ground level. So I'm going to put in a minus 150 here. So it just comes in below our finished ground level. And then I will, okay, and let's click out. All right, we got our topo solid in there. Edit type. Okay, we've got the structure and we've got the course fill patterns. Let's just take a look at that. And rather than put in that, I'm going to put in a site grass. So site, I should have a site grass here. I do, yeah. Okay, it's a bit of a strong color. There you go. Go okay. And click out here. Now we've got our grass in there. So it's rather than having that, as I said, float in space, it is solid up here like so. Now, final thing I'm going to do here, really, just to finish off, is I'm going to put this onto a sheet. So here's my A1 vertical down here, and I'm going to start dragging across my view. So here's my ground floor plan. Okay, and I'm going to, my arrow keys just to move it down here a little bit. I want to show us so much of the graph. So look, I'm going to activate the view and I'm going to turn on the crop box. Okay. I do it from over here, turn on the crop box. So the crop box, as you can see, is quite wide here. So I'm going to grab my grips, pull these in here. So this is the actual view and this is the view as represented on the sheet. Okay. Now I'll deactivate that. And let's see if I can delete that and I will drag it out again. Like so. Ground floor plan. Oh, that was the site plan I was working on there. Okay, so let's see. Right, activate the view. Here's the crop box. Okay, and I'm just gonna, I just want to make it a little bit neater and a little bit smaller so it'll fit into my, a little bit better. Okay, so deactivate and then turn off that one as well, and that kind of crops it down. Right, now right click, deactivate the view, and let's bring that kind of into place there. Right, now, so let's do a second floor plan, which is kind of going to be like a roof plan here. And again, we're going to have to do the same thing here. I'm going to right click, activate the view. Let's do it from in the view itself. Okay, let's do it from in here and turn on the crop box. Okay, let's get these here. It's a bit better. It's at a scale of 1:50. That's fine. That's fine. And we'll take off that one there now. Right, now back to my sheet. And here is my activate the view. I'm going to pull that into place there. These are the little title blocks. Okay. So, and here's the title block for that one there. And I'm going to swap those over to now. So I've got my ground floor plan, my first floor plan. I'll go into my east elevation here now, and we'll do the same thing again here. Turn on the crop box, select it, drag it across. So, and then because it's in elevation, I don't want to see my foundations in this one. All right, turn off that. Now, east elevation can come in like so. All right, and then see there we do the south elevation here. Same job again. Crop box. Drag it in nice and tight. Drag this one into up to here. Drag this one down a bit here. Okay. Now, if that X is there, click on that because you want to crop. You don't want to show. So that's why that's there. Back to my sheet here, and I'll take my south elevation like so. So we are assembling the views on the sheet. Now, if you can get that far, that is a nice little exercise. What I suggest you do is do it once, then open up a whole new project and go and do this again. And that will be great practice for you over the coming week or so. All right.